Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. If you're getting multiple error messages about your brakes, multiple warnings displayed on your instrument panel, don't panic. I'll show you how to correct these problems, troubleshoot them, and get them resolved. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're getting messages, and I have these messages listed to the side here: tire pressure monitoring, non-functional tire pressure monitor, inactive, brake wear visit workshop, ABS defective visit workshop, BAS defective visit workshop, ESP defective visit workshop, ABS not available, see operator's manual, and so on. The first thing you need to do is inspect the wheel speed sensor. I have a video talking about how to do that. Link is in the description below. Exactly how to check your wheel speed sensor, see which one it is. Most of the times it's the harness to that wheel speed sensor. Look at that for as evidence of a short, or maybe it might be loosely connected or corrosion has gotten in the connection points. If that's not the case, or if that is the case, replace that component. I have parts down in the description down below. So I'm going to show you that the fault codes 5100 all the way up to 5115 all deal with the speed sensors that may cause these error messages to pop up. Either one or a combination of the following fault codes will be stored, and it's 5100, 5101, 5102, 5103, 5105, and 5106 for the right front wheel speed sensor, and for the left it's 5110, 5111, 5112, 5113, 5115, and 5116. Part names that may be bad: it could be the intermittent or intermediate brake hose retaining clip. Have the part number in the description. Wheel speed sensor left or right, brake wear sensor harness, and the brackets for that. Most important thing you need to do is just hook up your iCarSoft scanner and check to see which wheel speed sensor it is. It's going to be just your wheel speed sensor that's bad, either with a loose connection, bad connection wire, or the sensor which may be damaged by heat and corrosion over time. It's going to trigger all of these lights. You're going to panic and think, oh my god, my brakes are bad, my ESP, my ABS, my BAS, my tire pressure. It's going to just have all of those error messages, and you're going to freak out. And the dealership is going to take advantage of a customer who's panicking and thinking that all of these components need to be changed. That's not the case. It's your wheel speed sensor or something connected to it, which is a harness, that is the issue. Hope this helps. Hope this I would say relieves some stress when you get this error message. It's a loose connection dealing with your speed sensor. Speed sensor video is at the top. There's a link. I show you how to diagnose that as well with the iCarSoft scanner. And this is a quick video, short, to the point. I'm not even going to get into how to change this part because I've covered it many times. Video down below in the link in the description. And don't panic, okay? Just remember that if there's a question that you need answered, ask. I have been under the weather, exposure to certain viruses that we all know about, feeling a lot better. Thanks for your thoughts, thanks for your comments, thanks for your prayers. And most of all, I'm back. We'll be giving you more videos. We'll be sending out those control modules. Be safe. Continue your social distancing. This stuff is real. This stuff is bad. So, thanks for watching. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.